Need to change your Roblox email address on your iPhone? If your email address is outdated, you could lose access at any time. Most players don't update it until it's too late. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Roblox email on your iPhone. So let's do it right now. First, open up the Roblox app on your iPhone, then tap the three dots icon at the bottom right corner. Now scroll down a little bit, and after that, tap Settings. Next, tap Account Info. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see the email address option. Now, next to email address, tap the pencil icon or edit icon. Here, enter your new email address. Then tap Change Email. Next, it will ask to verify. Tap Verify and then follow the prompts to verify the email address. And it's changed. This is how you can change your Roblox email address on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then just drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.